Today we have a big trailer, the rim is stuck. I'll show you within 30 seconds how to remove this rim that has been jammed. You can see it's jammed. We already unscrews, but that is jammed. See, I have this hammer, the heavy duty, but I'm not going to hit with the hammer because it will damage the rim. Stay with me. Okay, so just try like this way. Then do this way. Just do on the rim, on the tire. Do this side again. So now it's time to remove. Just do like this way and you can see it's take off. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.